In this video, I am going to show you how we can generate amazing rap music based on Bollywood theme using Google Gemini. And interesting thing is music quality is 8D audio. Now let's start a video. After watching this video, don't forget to share your experience in comment box. Open Gemini in your web browser, then click on plus icon and select create music option. So this time I am typing prompt to generate a rap music based on rain and theme will be Bollywood theme. Let's see how Gemini will generate rap and Bollywood theme based music. And here my prompt is generate Bollywood style music for rainy day. Use tabla, DJ, guitar and also add some rap related to rain. Music should be 80 quality audio. So here you can see Bollywood theme based our rap music is ready. Now I am going to play.
Gray skies hanging heavy on the concrete floor. Batch richer hitting deep, heard the thunder roar. Wiper blades racing, blurred out the neon sign. Mumbai in the rear view, caught in a different line. Traffic crawl, but the mind's on a jet stream. Watching life.
Firstly, I am downloading this audio in video form. It will be downloaded with cover art. So our track is downloaded. Now I am going to play. When you will listen this music, then drop a comment. How was it?
Gray skies hanging heavy on the concrete floor. Batch richer hitting deep, heard the thunder roar. Wiper blades racing, blurred out the neon sign. Mumbai in the rear view, caught in a different line. Traffic crawl, but the mind's on a jet stream. Watching life wash away like a half-forgotten dream. 808s thumping while the clouds break down. Liquid gold spilling on a silver line town. Silver line town.
बूंदों में घुल गई है तन्हाई मेरी, शहर की रोशनी में गुमशुदा रोशनी तेरी। रिमझिम की तान पे दिल ये पुकारे, कांच पे बिखरे हैं ख्वाब सारे। ओ सावा, ओ सावा।
Tea-stall stories cutting through the steam and mist. Everything changes with the rainy day twist. From the local train rush to the quiet in the car, Mumbai keeps moving no matter who you are. Chai ki chuski with the view of the sea. Rain is the only way the city lets me be. Asphalt reflections painting pictures of the soul. Losing my mind, finally losing control.
बूंदों में घुल गई है तन्हाई मेरी, शहर की रोशनी में गुमशुदा रोशनी तेरी। रिमझिम की तान पे दिल ये पुकारे, कांच पे बिखरे हैं ख्वाब सारे। ओ सावा, ओ सावा। गुमसुम रास्ते, खामोश नजारे, बस बारिश और हम तुम्हारे। बूंदों में घुल गई है तन्हाई मेरी, शहर की रोशनी में गुमशुदा रोशनी तेरी। रिमझिम की तान पे दिल ये पुकारे, कांच पे बिखरे हैं ख्वाब सारे। ओ सावा, ओ सावा।
Let it wash, let it rain. Mumbai, 2026. Monsoon state of mind.
Humming in the wet city. rain on the asphalt.